2018 legislative session kicked off today.
And with an election year on the horizon, many expect this session is going to be contentious. Republican Governor Larry Hogan has his hands full now with the Democratic House and Senate. ABC 2's Don Harrison sat down with the governor today to see what his legislative agenda is going to look like this year.
I just keep working.
Governor Larry Hogan is starting his fourth legislative session, and he has set a lofty agenda for himself.
We are probably submitting a more aggressive legislative package this time than we've ever done before.
Part of that package of bills involves term limits for Maryland lawmakers.
I don't think our founding fathers ever envisioned these professional politicians that spend their whole careers in office. We have rampant partisanship and nothing ever gets done, and I think people are ready for a change. Baltimore City is the fourth highest funded school system in America.
Before the session started, Governor Hogan announced he wants to have an independent office look at school expenditures in the state. PG County, Baltimore County, and Baltimore City, the governor says, are among the jurisdictions that have not used their education money wisely.
The real issue is lack of accountability and mismanagement of the money that we are providing for the schools. And in many cases, it is not getting down to the classrooms. Baltimore City is #1 out of all the school systems in all 50 states on administrative costs.
District 41, Nathaniel T. Oates.
Baltimore City Senator Nathaniel Oates was present and accounted for today in the Senate chamber, even though, according to FBI reports, Oates has admitted to taking more than $15,000 in bribes. President of the Senate, Mike Miller, says Oates should have his day in court before sanctions are taken against Oates. Governor Hogan feels otherwise.
And when you've already admitted to bribery and selling your office and personal enrichment at the expense of the taxpayers, you shouldn't be representing the district. He should resign. If he doesn't resign, the Senate does have the power to remove him from office, and that's what they should do.
Governor Hogan has 28 bills on his legislative agenda. We'll find out how successful he is on April 9th. That's 89 days from now, the last day of the legislative session. In Annapolis, I'm Don Harrison, ABC 2 News.